Have you ever wondered how the Amazon River, the largest by volume in the world, influences the life of everything around it? Imagine a waterway so immense it single-handedly supports the largest rainforest on Earth. Nestled in the heart of South America, the Amazon River is not just a river, it's a life force, a pulsating artery of the planet. Stretching over 4,000 miles, it is the second longest river, yet the largest in terms of volume. It's so vast that it accounts for a fifth of the world's total river flow. This colossal river is the beating heart of an ecosystem that is home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 species. But the Amazon is not just about numbers. It's an enigma, a mystery, wrapped in the emerald cloak of the rainforest. It's a world where every ripple tells a story, every creature plays a part in the grand scheme of life. The Amazon River, in all its might and mystery, is indeed an extraordinary spectacle of nature. The Amazon River, often referred to as the lifeblood of the rainforest, is an ecosystem teeming with life. This powerful river, winding its way through the heart of the Amazon rainforest, plays an integral role in keeping this ecological wonderland alive and thriving. The Amazon River, stretching over 4,000 miles, is the second longest river in the world. But its length is not the only thing that makes it impressive. It's the vital source of water for the rainforest, quenching the thirst of the lush vegetation that carpets the forest floor and canopies high above. This river doesn't just provide water, it's also an important nutrient provider. As it meanders through the rainforest, it picks up essential minerals from the soil, distributing them far and wide. These nutrients enrich the forest, sustaining the diverse plant life that in turn supports a plethora of animal and insect species. Think about it. Without the Amazon River, the rainforest's vibrant ecosystem would not exist. It's the river that fuels the forest's productivity, allowing it to be one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. From the elusive jaguar to the multicolored macaw, from the tiny poisoned dart frog to the giant anaconda, these species rely on the river and the life-sustaining habitat it helps create. But it's not only the animals and plants that rely on the Amazon River. Countless insects, some yet to be discovered, call the Amazon rainforest home. The river system provides the perfect breeding ground for these insects, contributing to the intricate web of life in the rainforest. The river also plays a key role in the rainforest's water cycle. The Amazon River and its tributaries evaporate to form clouds, which then rain down, replenishing the river and the forest. It's a beautifully orchestrated cycle, a dance of nature that keeps the rainforest breathing. The Amazon River is indeed a critical lifeline for the rainforest, supporting an array of life forms in their natural habitat. So, the next time you think of the Amazon rainforest, remember, it's the mighty Amazon River that makes this incredible biodiversity possible. But the Amazon River doesn't just nurture life within its immediate vicinity. It's an understatement to say that the Amazon River is a marvel. With its sprawling web of tributaries and a river basin that spans 8 countries, it's more than just a geographical feature, it's a vital cog in the intricate machinery that is our global climate. Let's start with rainfall. The Amazon River and its surrounding rainforest are a massive source of water vapor. Every day, the Amazon rainforest breathes out an astounding 20 billion metric tons of water vapor into the atmosphere. That's more than the Amazon River discharges into the Atlantic Ocean in a day. This moisture is carried by winds, forming clouds, and influencing weather patterns far beyond the confines of the rainforest. And then there's carbon. We've all heard about how trees absorb carbon dioxide, right? Well, the Amazon rainforest takes that to a whole new level. This green lung of the Earth absorbs around 2 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide each year. That's about 5% of global emissions. By storing this carbon in its trees and soil, the Amazon acts as a giant carbon sink, helping to slow down the pace of global warming. But it doesn't stop there. The Amazon also plays a crucial role in the generation of oxygen. Through photosynthesis, the rainforest's countless trees convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. It's estimated that the Amazon produces around 20% of the world's oxygen. So the Amazon River and its rainforest are not just a sanctuary for biodiversity, they are the world's largest freshwater reservoir, a key influencer of rainfall patterns, a colossal carbon sink, and an oxygen generator. They're a fundamental part of the Earth's climate system, and their health directly impacts the stability of our global climate. The Amazon River, far from being a local phenomenon, has a profound global impact. The Amazon River is not just a geographical feature, it's a cultural and spiritual symbol for those who live around it. For centuries, this majestic river has been the lifeblood of countless indigenous communities, each with their unique ways of life, traditions, and beliefs. The Amazon's cultural significance is as vast and diverse as the river itself. For the indigenous communities, the river is a lifeline, a provider, and a spiritual entity. It's not just a body of water, but a part of their identity, their history, and their everyday life. The river provides the essential sustenance for their survival. Imagine a river so vast and bountiful that it could feed entire communities. Fish from the Amazon form a crucial part of the diet for these communities. It's not just about food, it's about a way of life that's been passed down through generations, one that respects and relies on the river's bounty. The Amazon is also a critical means of transportation. Canoes glide effortlessly on the river, carrying people, goods, and stories from one community to another. The river is not just a physical connector, it's a social one, binding communities together, facilitating trade and fostering cultural exchange. But the Amazon River means even more than that. It holds a profound spiritual significance for the indigenous people. Many tribes view the river as a divine entity, a giver of life and a spiritual guide. They believe in river spirits and often perform rituals and ceremonies by the riverbanks to show their respect and gratitude. The river is so deeply ingrained in their culture that their stories, songs, and dances often revolve around it. It's a source of inspiration, a muse for their arts, and a symbol of their cultural heritage. The Amazon River, thus, is deeply intertwined with the lives and cultures of the people who call the Amazon Basin their home. It's a testament to the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature, a relationship that is as old as time itself. However, like many of Earth's natural wonders, the Amazon River faces numerous threats. This colossal river, the lifeblood of the rainforest, is under siege from multiple fronts. Firstly, deforestation is a major concern. Vast tracts of the Amazon rainforest are being cleared at an alarming rate. This is mainly to make way for agriculture, particularly cattle ranching and soy production. But there's a bitter irony here. The lush rainforest soil is nutrient poor, and after a few years of cultivation it becomes barren, leading to an endless cycle of clearing more and more forest. Next, pollution is taking a toll on the Amazon. The river, once pristine and teeming with life, now grapples with waste dumped from industries and settlements along its banks. This pollution not only threatens the river's diverse aquatic life, but also the indigenous communities who rely on the river for their sustenance and livelihood. Then, there's the looming threat of climate change. Rising global temperatures are causing shifts in rainfall patterns, leading to prolonged dry seasons in the Amazon basin. This increases the susceptibility of the forest to wildfires, which in turn release vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the issue of global warming. The potential consequences of these threats are dire. The Amazon River and its rainforest are home to an estimated 40% of the world's species. If these threats continue unabated, we stand to lose not just a significant proportion of the world's biodiversity, but also a major carbon sink that helps regulate our planet's climate. The Amazon River, a marvel of nature, is at risk and needs our collective efforts for its preservation. We must remember that the health of the Amazon doesn't just affect the species and communities that inhabit it. It has far-reaching implications for the entire planet. It's a battle we cannot afford to lose. The Amazon River, a unique and remarkable ecosystem, is a testament to nature's grandeur. Its vast expanse, teeming with life, acts as the lifeblood of the rainforest, supporting a myriad of species and indigenous communities. Its influence extends beyond its banks, impacting the global climate. The Amazon River breathes in carbon dioxide and breathes out oxygen, acting as the lungs of our planet. Its cultural significance is equally profound. It weaves a rich tapestry of stories, traditions, and knowledge of the indigenous communities that call it home. Yet this incredible ecosystem faces mounting threats. Deforestation, climate change, and industrial activities are gnawing at its edges, threatening its continued existence. The Amazon River, with its profound ecological, cultural, and global significance, calls for our attention, respect, and protection. Let's remember, when we protect the Amazon, we are not only preserving a unique part of our world's natural heritage, but also safeguarding our own future.